There are a few credit cards out there that I suggest you guys get if you're trying to get dental and eye health. One of those credit cards is the Care credit card. That Care credit, you can use it anywhere. Well, I won't say anywhere, at most places. Um, if you guys are looking to get dental work done or things done with your eyes, I like that one. You can pre-qualify for that one without a hard inquiry. I also talked to you guys about the Alpheon. So Alpheon, you guys can use that one also. And that's for your like cosmetic things, which is like the dental and the eye. And then also you guys have the Smile Generation. You guys can use that one for dental work. So I really like those three. Definitely check those out if you're trying to get like dental and eye work. Now, let me show you guys again on the website because I did a review on these credit cards. And if you guys ever want to look up a credit card, all you have to do is go to my website and put in at the search bar at the top, because I have a review on most of the credit cards I talked to you guys about. So here's that Care credit card. I love this one because you guys can pre-qualify for this one without a hard inquiry. And you guys, I have the link right here that you guys can pre-qualify for it. And when you guys pre-qualify for it, they're going to let you know yes or no. They can give you the credit card. And then when they ask you like how much you want to get, put a lot down. Like if you know you only want like $7,000, $6,000, still put 10, because they can still give you what they're going to give you. But if you put a higher amount, then it just means that you could possibly get a higher approval. But definitely check this out. And on my website, I always tell you guys about similar credit cards. So I told you guys the Smile Generation. So here's that credit card here, and then the Alpheon. I hope I'm saying that right. But here's that credit card here too. So you can check out these two credit cards too. And push, turn, and shove, get the Discover Ed cash back because you could pre-qualify for that one. And they got the 0% intro APR, so you can check that out also. But these are great credit cards you guys can and definitely see if you can get approved for. I remember when I first started helping people get approved for credit cards, this was one of the ones I help people get, because I actually had all of the credit cards I'm talking to you guys about, like Discover, the Smile Generation, the Alpheon, the Care credit. I had all of these credit cards before, and these are great for utilization. So I always tell people to get them. So definitely check out these credit cards. Again, it's on my website. All you have to do is just literally put something in the search box, like search one of the credit cards I tell you guys about. And I always try to have credit cards that's similar to this credit card down at the bottom. So definitely like the Alpheon too, definitely go ahead and check out like these other credit cards that's similar. And somebody said they was able to get approved for $2,600. Some of the credit cards, if I find a review on my YouTube channel, I try to put that on here so you guys can check it out. But I really love my website. I really hope that you guys love it too, and you guys utilize it, because I put it together for you all, because I just want to make sure that you guys have access to look up these different type of credit cards.